Hello, my viewers and friends. Today Mix Chart show you some natural disaster video that happening in 2022 August. But before that, we need to think. Nature never does work like that. Why first time ever all over? Many countries already faced heavy raining, storm and flood, and still many countries facing all these disaster. We need to think. Nature versus life versus science versus world equals end of world. This way hard to know exactly what happening in this world. Mix Chart is here to show you it possible cause of atmosphere changes or some kind of science whatever happening in entire world. If it continuously run, then world can be end. Finally I will say be save all of you. God bless you all.
River in New Jersey, first responders in Hackensack brought out the heavy afternoon storms, extended their visit by several hours, and nearly destroyed their only ride home.
Will happen to us next. Go to the mosque because of the bad weather.
بسم الله ما شاء الله ما شاء الله الله يستر الله يستر يا جماعة الناس تقول غرقت والله الله يطلعنا بس يا جماعة.
Hundreds of townspeople and residents were stuck outside their homes and prevented them from returning to their homes due to Governor of the Northern in the northern border region, torrential rains fell, the capacity prepared for that amount of rain. The floods caused a lot of damage.
Landslides were observed due to torrential rains and floods, and roads were destroyed. Cars were terrifyingly swept away with torrents. The Civil Defense and Ambulance Authority indicated that no casualties were recorded on Monday, as a result of heavy rain and the flow of valleys, stressing that it has taken all legal measures towards those who endanger themselves and others.
और बारिश में भाई भीग कर घर पे कहीं कोई रह नहीं पाते हैं, तो रोड पे आ जाते हैं।
After a summer of drought, heat waves and forest fires, violent storms are whipping France and have flooded Paris subway stations and snarled traffic. Winds of more than 100 kilometers per hour were recorded at the top of the Eiffel Tower during a flash flood Tuesday, and similar winds were forecast Wednesday. Hail poured down on beachgoers in Spain after an unexpected storm came through the area. In the video, loud noises can be heard as hail poured down and beachgoers scattered.